Did you know you can make a pandan cake in a rice cooker? A light and fluffy cake flavored with coconut and pandan, all cooked in a rice cooker. Maybe you can tell I'm in love with my rice cooker now, but I think this recipe makes a delicious pandan cake. I'm impressed. To make this, combine plain flour, cornstarch, baking powder and salt and set aside. Then to egg yolks with sugar until fluffy and add pandan extract, coconut milk, whisk and then set aside. Then whip egg whites until foamy and add sugar in increments whilst whisking until you have a nice meringue at stiff peaks. Then sift in your flour mixture to your whipped mixture and combine. Finally, fold your meringue in a third at a time until there are no dark streaks. And then add this to your rice cooker and cook at 40 minutes on your standard setting and enjoy.